Hello YouTube, this is a video debate with rockandrock44, and he started out the debate asking 3 questions, and I'm going to end the debate asking him 3 questions. But before I end the debate, I'm going to answer his 3 questions. His 3 questions were: define evolution, define evolutionary theory, and why do you reject evolution? Now I'm going to start with the first question: define evolution. Evolution is a process of change in the inherited traits of a population of organisms from one generation to the next. The genes that are passed on to an organism's offspring produce the inherited traits that are on the basis of evolution. Mutations in genes can produce new or altered traits in individuals, resulting in the appearance of heritable differences between organisms. But new traits also come from the transfer of genes between populations, as in migration, or between species in horizontal gene transfer. That was how I defined evolution. Evolutionary theory. Evolutionary theory is a scientific explanation of how different types of species of animals and organisms evolved. It starts simple, with small, uncomplex cells, and evolves into modern-day humans. Why do I reject evolution? Well, I have 3 reasons for this. I see no proof for it, nor see it happening today. It is actually not possible to an extent. I mean, microevolution exists, but it's more like variation. I mean, we have horses and zebras. They're the same kind of animal, but they, slowly, variation, they get different, fur textures, colors, sort of stuff, The beef cow didn't exist until up to 1950, so variations with cows and cats and dogs, etc. That's more like, it's not evolution, it's variation. Third, it is a cruel and pathetic way of explaining how man came to be. For evolution to keep going, a certain type of species has to die out for another species to evolve further. It's very cruel. What evidence do I need to see for evolution? Okay, I would need to see monkeys or any type of animal giving birth to a different type of its offspring. I mean, it'd have to be totally different. It'd have to be a monkey giving birth to something that looks quite similar to a modern-day human, or a horse giving birth to something that looks more like a cow, etc. Any type of animal giving birth to a way different type, radically different. I mean, you're going to say it has to be slowly, but it's still going to stay in the same tree, like, it's still going to look like, it's still going to have the same features of its parent. It's just going to look a little different. It's not going to be a different type of animal. My question is to you. First, if God made evolution happen, why didn't He speak of it in the Bible? I'm not sure if you believe the Bible, but that's my question. Second, why couldn't God just create all types of animals like God said He did? Why did He have to use the cruel theory of evolution? Third, why do you believe in evolution? These are my questions, and I hope this goes over good. Thank you.